Unraveling the Mystery, the meaning of bronzer. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English language learning channel. Today, we have an interesting topic on our hands. We are going to unravel the mystery behind the word bronzer. Whether you've heard it in the context of makeup or somewhere else, we are here to clear up any confusion and help you understand how to use this word in everyday English. Bronzer is a noun, and it primarily refers to a type of makeup product used to add a warm, sun-kissed glow to the skin. People apply bronzer on their face, neck, and sometimes on their body to give their skin a tanned appearance, even when they haven't been out in the sun. When talking about bronzer, it's important to understand that it comes in various forms, including powders, creams, and liquids, and it's available in a range of shades to suit different skin tones. Now that we know what bronzer is, let's look at how to use it in a sentence. 1. She applied some bronzer to her cheeks to add a bit of color. 2. I bought a new bronzer yesterday because I wanted a sun-kissed glow for the party. In these sentences, bronzer is used as a noun, referring to the makeup product. It's worth noting that bronzer is sometimes confused with tanner or self-tanner. While these products also give the skin a tanned appearance, they are different from bronzer. Tanner or self-tanner changes the color of the skin for a period of time and is usually applied all over the body. Bronzer, on the other hand, is temporary, washes off with makeup remover, and is generally applied to specific areas of the face. And there you have it. We've delved into the world of makeup to understand what bronzer means and how to use it in a sentence. We hope this has helped clear up any confusion and that you feel more confident using this word in English. Remember, practice makes perfect. So try using bronzer in a sentence today. Until next time, happy learning, and we'll see you in the next video.